It's time for another fun day surfing at Ocean Beach. I met up with Dylan to surf while Brian captured the action on the camera. Our friends Ethan and James stopped by to join in on the beach shenanigans and watch all of us crazy surfers throw on neoprene and jump into the super cold NorCal water. Alright, let's roll the intro. We are back for another vlog with my boy Brian.
What's going on?
We are headed out to Ocean Beach to go do some more surfing. And I'm gonna get in the water again. He's gonna be filming. It's gonna be freezing. It is freezing. It's cold here and we're an hour from the coast. The wind chill is a little gnarly. So it's gonna get even colder as we get closer to the ocean. But we're hoping for the best. Gonna go meet up with Dylan. We got a couple of our friends coming to meet up with us as well. So it should be a fun day.
Let's go.
Well, we are in San Francisco and it looks super nice. The tide is starting to drop out and things are cleaning up. We were at is it king tide right now? So it was like a 7-foot high tide and everything was kind of messed up. Now the tide's going out, the wind is blowing offshore and the surf is cleaning up and the swell's filling in right now. So we are in for a pretty fun day. Brian's already got his camera out. He's getting pictures. The offshore flow looks amazing. I'm excited. All right, Dilly, what's the game plan?
Dude, we're gonna suit up. We're getting psyched. The water's unseasonably warm, so Ethan brought his boogie board, as you can see over here. E-money.
Hey, look, stepdad season over here. What's up,
Dude, you brought your boogie board, dude?
Oh yeah, we're getting in.
You didn't go in?
This guy's full on beach mode.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Good, man.
Good. I brought all the good stuff.
You ready for a beach day?
Wiffle ball, yeah. I got football and I got wiffle balls.
So you getting in the water?
And I got this.
Dude, should have
yeah.
brought the badminton setup, bro.
I know. I didn't bring. I could go in my underwear, right? They won't
Yeah,
judge.
the water's pretty warm. It's unseasonably warm right now, so
Yeah.
you could.
I could do
It's
it,
a good
man.
therapeutic temperature, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm
go for it,
getting
bro?
in. Well, they're just gonna think all these little pussies in their wetsuits are gonna see me half naked, and they're gonna be like, "That guy fucks."
This is what you do when you're psyched and ready to go out in the water. You gotta run.
could just go. So Brett went out up there, like
Perfect.
north of these peaks to drift down, but I don't know where Brian's gonna set up. Like, it could also like, if we go further down, like where that, it'll probably just be less people there in general.
Yeah.
See that?
There's
piece?
definitely some sets over
See
there.
that guy running and see those sets behind him?
Yeah,
Kind of sick down there.
that's look fun. I don't even know, Dylan. You give them the lowdown. How would you describe?
You gotta
what
pay
we're
to
dealing
play.
with out here?
You gotta pay to play at the beach.
Yeah, pay to play. As soon as we got out, it got kind of
Your hands
shitty. My hands are frozen. I was trying to press the buttons on the GoPro.
I was just complaining about the waves in the back. Some guys like there on the left, like, yeah, it's too windy. It's getting shitty. Guys just like,
Hold on, this is a pretty nice
the best set comes out. We're reassessing where we're going right now.
the tide's getting low enough though that I feel like those outer bars work.
There goes a boogie boarder who was getting into a fight. Yeah, it's pretty funny when we were out there. The surfer was yelling at this boogie boarder, and I don't know, there's some drama ensuing. And he's like, "You're on a boogie board, bro," and he's like, "So what?"
He was getting
Stand up
waves,
for it?
bro.
I guess he's mad.
I saw him
Really?
get something. It looked pretty sick.
He just got one right now. Alright, we're gonna go back out in the
Try
water.
convincing Ethan.
Dude, it was took a while for the tide to settle in, but things got better this last like 45 minutes or so. That low tide just kind of got settled in, and waves started becoming more consistent, got a little better shape. The wind picked up a little bit, or the wind decided, I can't talk right now. The wind started to throw a little more offshore. Before it was like a little crossed up and a little funky, just very textured water, but it got nice and clean. There's some fun waves. Dylan got some sick ones. It's good. Been a good time. Shout out to Brian for filming, having fun on the beach. Don't forget to like, subscribe. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned, baby. Dilly Diller. Get those sprints in, baby.
What's that?
Get those sprints in, baby.
This calf's going.
Yeah.
Warmed up.
Good job, Bucky. Hands frozen. Yeah.
So, dude.
It's fun, dude.
Oh, it's
it
fun,
got
man.
way better just now.
It's
Like, way
fun.
more
It's
clean.
really fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I got my sea legs back too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You got some nice little maneuvers and stuff out there.
Yeah, I got some lefts. Got a ride in. It was okay.
Yeah, that was fun,
Getting
dude.
tired though. I missed a bunch at the end.
Yeah. I was dead.
Shoulders
I
were
caught that
burning.
close out, and I was about to go. Then you caught one, and I saw you go back out, and I sat there like thinking about going back out, and I was like, I'm done. I was like, I'm not doing it. Yeah.
Surfing's a drug addiction.
It is, dude.
It's like a drug addiction.
Yeah.
It's always one more. Always a little more.
Yeah,
Never get enough.
Let's get out of here before we decide to go back in.